Now let's say you bought it. Say what's your price.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time joining us, welcome to it. I really do hope that you stay, you subscribe, and you become a part of the C6 family. Yeah. As you guys can tell by the title of today's video, today I'm going to be doing a video on this hair that I got from Upretty Hair. Thank you so much to them for sponsoring this video. A lot of you guys saw me post this on my recent reel. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, definitely go and do that, because the reels I'll be posting on there are top tier, top quality, top priority, top everything, top class. Okay, you need to go and follow me on there so you guys can see those. But I had done a reel and you guys were like, girl, that hair is up, where's it from, give us the details, and that's what I told you guys. But by the way, this hair is actually a closure. This is a closure. This is not even a frontal, and it is so laid. I'm so happy with how it came out. I'm basically showing you guys a technique on how to make your closures look more natural, more to look like a frontal. You guys will be getting all the tips and the tricks in this video. Definitely do stay tuned if you guys would like to see more, and I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Okay guys, let's get straight into it. As you can see, we're going to start off with bleaching the knots. I do want to note or let you guys know that this is a 6x6 closure, and I definitely would recommend that you guys try yourself out with a 6x6 closure, because I feel like it gives you so much more room without the added admin of a frontal. It is also an HD lace, which is absolutely beautiful and makes the hair look so much more natural even after you have already bleached the knot. So as you guys can see, I just take my bleach that is quite a thick consistency, but not too thick to the point where it's actually not going to do anything for your hair. You want to make sure that it is just a tiny bit runny, just so that it actually does bleach your knots. As you guys can check, I am also looking through just to make sure that I ain't pushing too hard or anything like that. So you do also want to do that while you are bleaching your knots, to make sure that you aren't having your bleach too runny for the hair. The next thing you want to do is leave this for about 45 minutes, 50 minutes, just to set and to actually bleach your knots. Then you just want to wash it out, obviously, how you normally would wash out your bleach. If you guys want a full video on how I wash my curly wigs, definitely do let me know. I can do an updated one for you guys. But as you guys can now see, I'm about to start plucking. Now, this is a very hard process to describe, but you guys will be able to see how I'm doing it. As you will see, I do pull back line by line, and I go ahead and thin out the hairline. I will say what was great about this lace is that the hairline wasn't super duper thick, so I didn't have to work too hard on the lace, which is definitely great for a beginner who actually doesn't have the know-how when it comes to plucking, and you just want to do something small just to make it look a little bit more natural. This will be great for you.
And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, then dip me underway. You can hit on my foot, flow, hold me till I scream forever.
Now, as you guys can see, yeah, the hairline is looking gorgeous, if I do say so myself. So this is kind of what happens after maybe 20 to 30, let me not say 20, 30-ish minutes of plucking. But you know, just blast some music, you'll be fine. It's definitely worth it in the end.
You reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your peak, baby.
Now we are getting to the install. As you guys can see, my hairline is looking amazing. So what you want to do is take some powder, a dark powder, can either be the same color as your skin tone or the color you would use to contour, and you just want to put that all over your lace just to make sure that it looks natural. As you guys can see, it does have this sort of white sort of shade on it, so it's more so transparent. You guys will see when I do lay it, but you want to put the powder on to make sure it blends in with your skin. Now you guys are seeing me cut the lace. You guys will notice that I do, when I get to the ends, sort of cut up just to make sure that it blends well with the rest of the bundles that are in this hair, just so that those two sides don't stick out when I end up gluing down my wig. Then we're gonna go in with our Got To Be Glue freeze spray, just so that we can lay the wig down. Because it is a closure, I don't always or pretty much ever feel the need to go in with my more heavy duty Got To Be Glue gels. I like to use the Got To Be Glued spray. If you guys follow this channel, you guys will know this is my ultimate fave. Next up, guys, we're doing something that's a little bit out of my comfort zone, which is edges. You guys know I don't really ever lay edges, just because, I don't know, child, I just never had the confidence to do it. But then I was like, honestly, we have our 6x6 closure, and I feel like it would have made it look so much more natural if we gave it edges just to cover those sides. And child, I was not wrong. As you guys can see, I literally just pull out the two sides and I cut it with the same scissor that I used to cut my lace. And as you guys can see, I just flick it. For this process, I did go ahead and use my Got To Be Glued. It was the gel, the black tube. So that is really, really great for edges. I would say, even if you're not doing a wig, that honestly is just gives great hold for your edges. As you guys will see, it makes it just look a little bit more natural. It looks a bit crazy here, but once I've styled it, everything will make sense. Then I go ahead and I take my elastic band and I lay my hair. You guys will also see how I wet the hair just to revive it. If you guys also want an updated video on this for my curls, please do let me know and I will do that for you. The last step, you guys, just to add a little bit of mousse, not too much, just to hold everything in place. And that is our final look.
Alrighty guys, thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you guys would like more hair tips and tricks. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.